guys, welcome to Weekly Market Watch. I'm Shivangi Sarda. But before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. So we've seen that this week has been a complete roller coaster ride in terms of gap downs and gap up due to a lot of pressure from the global markets. But the good part was that there has been a very strong support based buying seen in Nifty, which kept a lot of the sectors afloat in this week. Now, talking about the levels in Nifty, we are expecting any small declines to be utilized for buying opportunity, and the upside levels we could look at 19,950 zones with a crucial support near 19,550 levels. Now, talking about Bank Nifty, we've seen complete underperformance in this entire week. Some of the PSU names have, resulted in a bit of a pressure in the index, but then again we've seen that it has been holding on, and 44,000 would be an important support to watch out for over here, and the hurdle is placed at 44,750 levels. Now, sector-specific action, we've seen some tremendous move in some of the auto names, and which is going to continue in the next week as well. Some of the fertilizer names have shown a lot of good technical and data setup, which is looking quite positive for the next week. We could also look at some of the PSC names, some of the FMCG and consumption names as well. We are heading, of course, into the World Cup theme, and the FMCG and consumption basket is going to do well in such a scenario. So this is it for this week. We've seen that the India VIX has been comparatively lower from the last 1 week, which signifies that there is no panic and the markets are going to stay afloat over here. So this is it for this week. Now, thank you and see you next week.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.